Welcome back to my channel. Google Ads is one of the most effective digital marketing platforms, allowing businesses to display their advertisements on Google's search results, YouTube, and other partner websites. With a well-structured campaign, you can drive traffic, generate leads, and increase sales. This tutorial will walk you through the full process of using Google Ads effectively. 1. What is Google Ads? Google Ads, formerly Google AdWords, is an online advertising platform where businesses bid on keywords to display ads to potential customers. It operates on a pay-per-click PPC model, meaning advertisers pay only when users click their ads. Google Ads consists of different campaign types. Search ads appear on Google search results. Display ads show on partner websites. 2. How to set up a Google Ads account. Step 1. Create a Google Ads account. 1. Go to Google Ads https://ads.google.com and sign in with your Google account. 2. Click Start Now. 3. Choose your advertising goal: website traffic, leads, sales, etc. Step 2. Select your campaign type. After setting up your account, you need to choose the right campaign type based on your business goals. Search network campaign, best for lead generation and sales. Display network campaign, ideal for brand awareness. 3. Creating your first campaign. Step 1. Choose your campaign goal. Sales if you want direct conversions. Leads to capture email sign-ups or phone calls. Website traffic to drive visitors to your website. Brand awareness to promote your brand. Step 2. Define your budget. Your budget determines how much you're willing to spend on ads daily. Google Ads provides recommendations, but you can manually set your budget. Tip: start with a small budget and increase based on performance. Step 3. Select your bidding strategy. Google Ads provides different bidding strategies. Maximize clicks, best for website traffic. Maximize conversions focuses on getting more conversions. Target CPA, cost per acquisition, ensures cost-effective conversions. Target CPA, cost per acquisition, ensures cost-effective conversions. Target ROAS, return on ad spend, optimizes for revenue generation. Step 4. Define your target audience. Location targeting, choose specific countries, cities, or regions. Demographics, filter by age, gender, income, etc. Interests and behaviors, target users based on online behavior. Step 5. Select keywords. For search ads, keyword selection is crucial. Use Google Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Keyword match types. Broad match shows ads for related searches. Phrase match ads appear for searches with your phrase. Exact match ads only appear for precise keyword searches. Step 6. Create your ad copy. Your ad copy should be relevant, directly related to your keyword. Compelling, clearly explain the benefit of clicking. Actionable, include a call to action. CTA, like buy now or sign up. Example of a Google search ad. Title: Best running shoes 50% off today. Description: Get high quality running shoes at unbeatable prices. Free shipping on all orders. URL: www.example.com. Step 7. Add ad extensions. Ad extensions improve visibility and provide more information. Common types include site link extensions, additional links to pages. Call extensions displays a phone number. Location extensions shows business location. Step 8. Set up conversion tracking. To measure ad performance, set up Google Ads conversion tracking. You can track website purchases, sign-ups, phone calls, form submissions. 4. Optimizing your Google Ads campaign. Monitor key metrics. Regularly check CTR click-through rate. Measures ad engagement. Quality score Google's rating of your ad relevance. Conversion rate. The percentage of users who complete an action. A/B testing. Test different headlines, descriptions, and CTAs. Experiment with various bidding strategies. Try different audience segments. Improve quality score. Google assigns a quality score 110 to each keyword. A higher score reduces cost per click CPC and improves ad ranking. Relevance. Ensure ad copy matches the keyword. Landing page experience. Optimize speed, content, and usability. CTR improve with strong headlines and CTAs. 5. Google Ads best practices. Use negative keywords. Exclude irrelevant search terms. Leverage remarketing. Retarget users who visited your site. Optimize for mobile. Ensure ads and landing pages are mobile friendly. Use responsive search ads. Google automatically tests different headlines and descriptions. Analyze competitors. Check what ads competitors are running. Display network campaign. Ideal for brand awareness. Shopping campaign. Great for e-commerce businesses. Video campaign. Effective for YouTube marketing. Performance Max campaign. Uses AI to optimize ad delivery across all Google networks. Ad extensions improve visibility and provide more information. Common types include site link extensions, additional links to pages, call extensions, displays a phone number, location extensions, shows business. 6. Conclusion. Google Ads is a powerful tool for businesses looking to reach potential customers online. By setting up campaigns correctly, optimizing ad performance, and monitoring key metrics, you can drive traffic and increase sales. Start with a clear goal, choose the right keywords, create compelling ads, and continuously refine your strategy for the best results. Thanks for watching.